Introducing the brand new Kase Magnetic Master Kit version 4. Let's have a look at the installation. Firstly, take the holder and adapter ring and screw this onto your lens. Next, add the 82mm CPL. This fits snugly inside the holder on the very inside part. Then take your ND filter. This is 95mm, so it has a good amount of overlap, and this also inserts into the holder. Lastly, take your graduated filter. This sits on the very outside so that it can be adjusted up and down with the external dials top and bottom. You've also got a rotatable dial for the CPL, so it can rotate for effect inside the holder. Lastly, add your cap. With the newly designed Master Kit, you've got a much stronger adapter ring. It uses the benefits of the Armour magnetic ring with the holder. You can see just how much smaller the original Master Kit adapter ring was. Now it's solid and there's no chance of it being knocked off your camera and lens. The other feature that's much better design is the polarizer. Previously you actually had to remove the graduated filter from the holder and put your fingers inside the slots to try and rotate the polarizer, which made it quite tricky. Now it's got a brand new holder with an adjustable dial that you can rotate from the outside very easily to see the effect. When packed away inside its little pouch, you can see just how much smaller and more compact this kit is compared to the full-size Armour kit. It's definitely something that will be very beneficial to those who love a lightweight kit for hiking and for travel. You will still notice some vignetting if you're using an 82mm threaded lens with this kit. I used this on my 16-35 f2.8 Sony G Master lens at 16mm, and this was the result. I will say, however, it's much better than the previous design kit, and unfortunately you cannot get away without some vignetting due to the circular design of the kit. This is a shot taken at 17mm. You can see already that the vignetting is better than it was at 16mm, and you'll notice once we move to 18mm that it's gone altogether. Being able to shoot at 18mm with no vignetting is actually improvement on the previous design. I found myself having to shoot at 20mm if I was trying to use all three of my filters stacked, so this is definitely beneficial, gaining 2mm back at the widest end of your focal length. If you're using lenses smaller than 82mm, you can just use the screwed adapter rings for this purpose. These will screw to the Armour magnetic adapter ring and means you can use it on any size lens from 49mm right through to 82mm.